Description: a repairing hair mask for brittle and damaged hair. Formulated with highly nutritious babassu butter and yellow clay. Babassu butter detangles, and the yellow clay helps to repair the hair structure. Benefits: hair is left detangled, soft and silky, looking healthier and stronger than before. Suggested use: apply to towel-dried hair after shampooing. Process for 10 minutes, comb through and rinse. Top reviews from the United States. Hair is super soft. I use this product about 1 to 2x a month. It makes my hair really soft and smells really nice. I wish they sold a container version of it. Yummy. Smells so good. Makes hair so soft.